Hello, my name is Alfeu Dias Martin, and I will present the work Automated Streamline Machine to Forecasting the Monthly Flow, a case study at the Zambezi River. I'm a student of Computational Modeling Program at Federal University of Juiz de Fora, Brazil. Carabassa Dam is the primary electricity source in Mozambique and supplies Mozambique, Zimbabwe, South Africa, and Malawi. It contributes to the Zambezi River Delta economy, producing energy and enable activities such as agriculture, pastoralism, and fishing. The forecasts of natural flow are extremely important to make decisions about the dam operation, to reduce the risk of occurrence of natural disaster, to lead to the implementation of a sustainable basin exploitation policy. Several methods developed in the literature are used to forecast of natural flow, ranging from hydrological modeling, statistical approach, and machine learning models. Currently, the use of machine learning models for forecasting has increased. This paper proposes a genetic algorithm assisted streamline machine to predict natural flow at the Zambezi River at the Kawarabasa Dam. In the present paper, we aim to test the ability of streamline machine for forecasting natural flow of the Zambezi River to the Kawarabasa Dam. Compare the performance between a streamline machine with other models, ElasticNet and gradient posting. Streamline machine is a supervised method. In this work, we seek for a regression approach. Benefits could ability to generalize, convenience in terms of the modeling, learn 1,000 times faster, time network using backpropagation. Here we showing the scheme of the streamline machine. Here is the input layer, the hidden layer, and the output layer. The equation 1 showing the mathematical form of the ELM neural network, where beta is the solution, G is the activation function, W is the wedge between the input layer with the hidden layer, and the B is the BS. The equation 3 showing the matrix form, and the equation 3 showing the form that we use to find the vector of solution. The activation function used in this work are showing this table. It was 8 functions and the Thales expression. The vector of solution is determined by equation 4, and the solution of this problem of optimization is shown by this equation, where H is the hidden layer output matrix. We use a genetic algorithm to find internal parameters of LM neural network. In these scenarios, each candidate in the population represents In LM network, we can see the table below here, the method, the parameters, the description of parameter, and the range that we use to find with the genetic algorithms. The data consists of historical monthly series of 156 observations from 2003 to 2015. The natural flow, the precipitation, evaporation, humidity are the variable and the start. The data is divided by the train set and testing set. The data set provided Kawarapasa Hydroelectric Company. To calculate the forecasting, we chose interval of T months in the historical time series. The predictive models is shown in the question 5, where F is the prediction and T is 2, 3, 6, and 9 months past. The genetic algorithm uses a population of 20 individuals involving 30 generation crossover of 18% and mutation rate of 10% to find the internal parameters. The fitness function is RMSE, calculated according to the 3 cross-validation. To assess the ELM performance, we implemented 2 other models and semi-computational framework, the ElasticNet and gradient boosting. More details about each model is shown in paper. This table showing the performance metrics using in this work. Here we show in the names and the expression in the last columns. The table showing the averaged metrics for 2, 3, 6, and 9 past month. And we can see here that for 9 past month, ELM showing the best solution. Here we're showing the best solution for 90 past month in 30 runs. We can observe that the model was able to reproduce the characteristic of series of observed data such as trained, seasonality with a lot of quality. However, underestimate the peak flows. Here we show in the prediction, the scatter plot of prediction for 2, 3, 6, and 90 past months. We can observe that for 90 past month, the best solution showing the best performance metrics. The figure showing the parameter distribution of activation function, the number of neurons in the hydrogen layer, and the C parameters. We can see here that only 3 functions were selected of existing one by the genetic algorithms. The multi-quadratic showing in the red was selected predominantly independent of number of executions. The number of the neuron in the hidden line, it was ranging from 250 to 500, and the distribution of C parameter where ranges 50 to the 370. In this paper, we investigated the use of Streamline machine for monthly forecasting of the natural flow to the Kahra system. Genetic algorithm assisted Streamline machine technique showed the potential to perform flow prediction to the Kahra system. Streamline machine outperformed other models such as ElasticNet and Creatine Pulsing by showing good accuracy for predicting. As a future work, we aim to apply other models like deep learning and the online models. And thanks for watching.